In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain in GoDaddy cPanel hosting, or setting up domain to GoDaddy hosting. We're going to connect your domain to your GoDaddy cPanel hosting in a clear, reliable way. By the end, your domain will point to your hosting account and have its own clean folder for website files, keeping everything organized and ready for your site. Start by heading to your GoDaddy product page, sign in if prompted, and once you're in, look for the web hosting section. Find the hosting plan you want to use and select Setup. This is where GoDaddy begins linking your hosting to a domain. If you're setting up hosting for the first time, you'll be guided through a quick wizard. When it asks for a domain, select the domain you want to connect from your GoDaddy account. The wizard will handle the basics for you and associate that domain with your hosting. Take a moment to confirm you've chosen the correct domain, especially if you manage multiple names. When you finish the wizard, GoDaddy provisions the hosting and ties it to the domain you selected. If your hosting is already set up, go to Manage and then choose cPanel Admin. This opens your cPanel dashboard where you manage domains and website files for your account. Here you'll be able to add a domain to your hosting and review where its files will live. When you add a new domain, you'll see a field to enter the domain name along with an option related to the document root. The document root is simply the folder on your server where that domain's website files are stored and served from. Make sure the option to share the document root is unchecked. Leaving it unchecked creates a dedicated folder for this domain, which keeps websites separate, prevents file overlap, and makes future maintenance, like installing SSL certificates or managing WordPress, much cleaner. Think of it as giving each site its own clearly labeled drawer. After confirming those details, complete the process to add the domain. GoDaddy will finalize the configuration. If your domain is registered with GoDaddy, DNS is typically handled for you. If your domain lives elsewhere, just be aware you may need to verify that it points to your GoDaddy hosting. DNS updates can take some time to propagate. Give the setup a few minutes, then visit your domain in a browser. If everything's connected, you'll see your hosting's default page or your site content once you upload it to that domain's document root. That's it. You've connected your domain to GoDaddy cPanel hosting the right way.